If you were injured in a head-on collision with a commercial truck in Colorado Springs, you are facing a trucking company, their insurer, and a legal team trained to minimize payouts. Head-on truck crashes cause catastrophic injuries, and adjusters move quickly to get you to accept a settlement before you understand the full extent of your damages. Federal trucking regulations, driver logbooks, and black box data can prove negligence, but that evidence must be preserved immediately. McCormick and Murphy represents truck accident victims throughout Colorado Springs with over 75 years of combined legal experience. Our team includes former insurance defense attorneys who know every tactic carriers use to avoid responsibility. We investigate driver fatigue, maintenance violations, and corporate negligence. Colorado law allows you to recover compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and long-term care. You should not negotiate with a trucking company's insurance adjuster alone. Call McCormick and Murphy today at 719-389-0400 or visit us online at mccormickmurphy.com.